Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes back with another one, guys. So AMC GME fast money on next week. Let's go ahead and take a look at it, guys, and see what's going on because a lot of people is going to try and take advantage of meme stocks and try and make fast, quick money. We already seen proof of this a few months ago. As we know, millionaires, billionaires trading stocks like quality companies like Tesla in order to grab their AMC, guys, selling out positions of Tesla to grab AMC, being for the fact that they see in the short time frame period that AMC, being for the fact of how low it then came back down to, it could easily give them 100%, maybe even 200% returns quicker than Tesla will. So that being the fact that, for that being a very big reason on why a lot of big entities and regular investors, why the big dogs, millionaires, billionaires, why all of them is going to be pouring their money in it to help give AMC and GME more traction is because they see the short window of opportunity to make 100% returns in a short period of time, guys. So it's going to be a lot of money, quick money being made off AMC and GME, guys. Like I tell you guys, I always implement other strategies. If you want to hold a company, a stock, an asset, hold it, buy a little bit, hold it, whatever you're comfortable with, but also have another account where you're able to take advantage of the volatility as these stocks shoot up, sell out into strength, and rebuy back in on the deal. Rinse and repeating where you got another small account where you're taking advantage of the swings rather than just sitting, seeing the asset go up 100%, 200%, then seeing it drop right back down, give those gains back, and you just up and down, up and down, up and down, no type of progression, being for the fact that you just buy and hold with no type of strategic plan, guys. So let's go ahead and take a further look at what's going on and why I believe next week is going to be one for the books. So as we know, guys, on Friday or all last week, all month, it's been one of the choppiest months in October. October has shown to be one of the greatest months this month and one of the worst months of this month, all in 1 month, guys. That's crazy. The first 2-3 days of this month, we had the best performing days we had all year in the stock market, guys. Also, around the middle of the month, we had the worst performing days in October as well. The Dow and the S&P 500 reaching its lowest level since 2020. So we had both of the best of the both worlds walling within 1 month. Now, as we see, guys, we getting choppy and choppy. We have been seeing swings with large cap companies that's unheard of go up 10-15% in a single day and give back those gains right around lunchtime, and then around power hour get the gains right back. So we have been seeing, we go bullish at the beginning of the market, bearish in the middle of the day, and bullish right towards the end of the market, all in 1 day. Huge, big swings. So what that means exactly is, guys, I believe a lot of implied volatility. Implied volatility is basically whenever investors is building anticipation on the market to move a huge direction in one direction or the other, either up or down. I never like to be on the fence and say, oh, it's going to go up or down. I let you guys know exactly what I believe is going to happen. I believe the market is about to burst open to the upside. Of course, it's not going to hold itself. Just like I prepared you guys a few months ago when I said the bullish market was coming within the bearish market, when a lot of people weren't expecting it. Carvana was up over 300%. One of the stocks we called out in a month. Another one was up over 30-40% a day. It was just going crazy. Then all of a sudden, a couple weeks, it was right back down. Same thing about to happen in this case. The market is about to burst up. Bitcoin, I told you guys in previous videos, it looked for Bitcoin to go to the mid, possibly even a high $20,000 range, and the market to shoot up 25, maybe even 30%, before coming right back down to create an even lower low. Unless the economy drastically changed from where we currently stand at, then it possibly won't happen. But as long as the economy stay where it's at, and I don't think it's going to drastically change, this is just temporary, guys. That's why I say cash is one of the best positions right now. And whenever the bullish mini markets come in within the bearish market right now, you want to be able to come out, seize opportunities, strike, and go be put right back up. Put yourself right back up, guys, because it's dangerous out here if you don't know how to play it right. So let's go ahead and take a further look at what's going on, guys, because GME and AMC is ready to go. We see AMC has been stagnant. GME has been performing better, but AMC will catch up, guys. Also, one of the other reasons what we probably just discussing, like I said, Bitcoin is ready to push up. We see over the weekend it ran up, tested resistance at 21,000. Now it's sitting at $20,600, holding up fairly well. Once Bitcoin crack above 21K, its next resistance will be at around 21,600 and 22,500, guys. It get above that, all hell could break loose. we're going to see the market, crypto, all that sort. But already currently where Bitcoin sits at, we already building and got that anticipation for the market to open up probably big on Monday, guys. And even if it don't open up big on Monday, the next week should be a great week for the overall market and for crypto. I'm looking for it to go even higher. On Friday, the Dow closes 800 points higher on Friday, even though, we had some bad earnings being reported. A lot of big earnings was coming out on last week. We had Apple, Amazon, Google, Microsoft, a lot of the big boys. Apple kind of offset the other big dogs from having bad earnings, with Apple having better than expectations, beat earnings by better than expectations. It kind of offset the balance, keeping the market kind of stabilized. So we know Google, Microsoft, a few others reported bad earnings. Google losing a little bit to TikTok. It's been a crazy competitor in the space. Everybody trying to, catch up with TikTok. But like I told you guys, I believe a lot of these platforms is going to be, like YouTube, for instance, is going to be around for a long time. It's kind of like an OG. I feel like a lot of, things going to come and go, but YouTube possibly won't be one of them. I could see TikTok possibly disappearing because the government, the feds, are already trying to get it out of here, being for the fact that it's too much information. There's a lot of different reasons. Like I tell you guys, more than one reason why the market go down. It's more than one reason why the market go up. It's more than one reason why they want to get rid of TikTok. So I just don't want to share my opinion and hold you guys for even longer to where, you think that's the only reason and it misleads you. So like I say, it's multiple reasons, a lot of reasons, too much information being disclosed. We could see what's going on in other countries. A lot of people, able to blow up and create their own brands. Like I tell you guys, I believe in the future, a lot of people is not watching TV anymore. A lot of people don't watch TV anymore. I don't know if it's just me, but I've been not watching TV. But I believe a lot of other people is picking up on this unconsciously, not even knowing that they watch other people more than they watch TV. So that being said, a lot of people is going to be able to create personal brands for themselves. And the government is in fear for that. That's why a lot of AI technology, robots, and all that is going to go ahead and be replacing workers. They don't want to wait until the last minute to where they is dependent on y'all to work for them. They'd rather go ahead and get ahead of the game, bump, waiting for them to all, get money or make their personal brands, and we be needing them and have to pay them more money. We're gonna go ahead and, exit them out the equation now. So I do believe the world is shifting. This new generation, it's going to be more millionaires than ever before here soon. Like, Elon Musk going to be the first world trillionaire. He's probably already a trillionaire. If you worth $250 billion already by your net worth. Usually people have 4, 5, 10x the amount of money their net worth say. So he already the world's first trillionaire, and he's going down in history for the world's richest man. As he elevate and go to that level, it unlock people's subconscious mind to realize that they can actually become a trillionaire. Now you got 1 trillionaire, 2 trillionaire, 10 trillionaires. Now people are trying to be a trillionaire instead of even be a billionaire. Like, they done skipped right past it. So now you got more. It's only, a couple hundred people of my color that's billionaires in the U.S. So that being said, you're going to see thousands of billionaires once a couple people start to unlock the trillionaire status. And then you're going to see hundreds of thousands, millions of millionaires. Like, it's going to be common to say, that I'm a millionaire, or people are not going to be too much, like shocked by it. It's like, okay, like my cousin millionaire, my daddy millionaire, everybody a millionaire. Where the billionaires at? That's what you're gonna be looking for. But anyways, like I said, guys, I ain't mean to take you off, track or whatnot. I'm gonna share my thoughts. I have certain stuff I have to put out there, for my own track record. So whenever it happened, I could pull this little clip out and say, boom, Hayes told y'all, but such and such gonna be first trillionaire. A lot of millionaires are gonna pop up. People, it's just boom, boom, boom. But anything, let me share one more thing with y'all. What I was just saying about the subconscious mind, I was reading a book. And basically, the fastest man in the world, don't quote me 100% on exactly what I'm about to say. I'm about to say it in a nutshell just to get you to understand what I'm saying. It don't really matter if it's 100% correct on everything that I'm saying. But anyways, by a man go by Banner. I can't remember his first name. But in the book, it was a man by Banner. It was once a belief that no man in the world or woman could run a mile in under 3 minutes. And once he had done that, one man ended up coming to do that, beat that record. He ran a mile under 3 minutes because no man in the world, they didn't believe nobody could do it. But once he did it, guess what happened after that? thousands of other high school students, young kids, end up beating the record. And now the record is like, you know, dropping the bucket. Like everybody can do it. Because when one person did it, it unlocked their subconscious mind that somebody else, that you could do it. Just like when you see other people, you know, whatever you want to do, you see other people doing it, you like, dang, they did it. I mean, I could do it. So you already know, man, free game. I like to put stuff and implement this type of stuff in the videos, you know, take it, run with it, do whatever you want to do with it. I love y'all. Add your boy over on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. Get in VIP and all that good stuff, man. And we out. We gone.